Hey, welcome back to the series of Business Studies Chapter 5 Organizing. In this video, we are going to learn about meaning of organization structure and types. By the way, this is OBC online business class, as you all know. If you're not familiar with, that means you're new to this channel, so it's worth subscribing, consider it. Okay, let's start with the meaning of organization structure. Organization structure is nothing but a framework within that managerial and operation tasks are performed. It also specifies the relationship between people, work and resource, and it also allows correlation and coordination among human, physical and financial resources. This allows a business enterprises to achieve desired goals. Or in other words, an organizational structure shows the authority and responsibility relationship between various positions in the organization and also clarifies who will report to whom. Usually, organization structures of a firm is shown in an organization chart like this. Next subtopic is the span of management. It basically gives the shape to the organizational structure. Span of management means the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by the superior. This determines the levels of management in the structure. For example, Sunita opens her own travel agency. Success of her travel agency depends on a humorous relationship between the customers and the employees of travel agencies. In order to achieve this objective, she has to divide the entire work of the agency into 3 subheads based on the functions, that is operational, sales and administration. Operations include travel counselor, reservation, ticketing, customer care, etc. Sales includes the accounts executive. Administration includes bookkeeping. In organization structure, we have a two type, that is functional structure and divisional structure. Functional structure, as name itself suggests, when the activities or jobs are grouped keeping in mind the functions of the job, then it is called as functional structure. Example, this chart shows how the structure has been divided into based on a function. Next is divisional structure. When the organization is large in the size and producing more than one type of product, then activities related to one products are grouped under one department. For example, a large company may have division like cosmetics, clothing, etc. This chart shows how the structure has been divided into based on the divisional of separate line of a product. If you find this video helpful, share it. Click here to watch the next series, which is on advantage and disadvantage of functional structure. Support us by subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye.